so much time that my great big fat little fingers on the iPad tended not to work very well. So I started to use different stylus. And the nice thing is, at the time we were traveling through Asia, and there was a lot of different stylus available at that time, which was almost 2 years ago now. And so 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to go and buy a whole pile of different types of styluses. And this unit that you're going to look at now, I'll explain the different ones that I tried and the different ones that I used. I still think what's missing in the tablet and in this type of art is a pressure sensitive. The ability that if you press harder, the line becomes darker. At the moment, within the iPad, you actually have to use the settings in order to get a darker line or a lighter line. It's just a different way of thinking. So pressing harder doesn't change what you end up with on your page or on your tablet. So it is important that you understand that from the very beginning, is that pressing harder does not change what happens on the tablet. Your settings will change whether or not things get darker or lighter as you use this style.